How to start a dropshipping business in 2025 step-by-step guide. Tired of working hard for someone else's dream in 2025? The game has changed. Dropshipping is your golden ticket to building a real online business without holding a single piece of inventory. So buckle up, because in just 4 minutes, I'll walk you through exactly how to launch a dropshipping business that works. No fluff, no theory, just pure, actionable steps that could change your life. Let's go. Step 1. Understand the business model. Dropshipping is simple but powerful. You don't stock products. You don't worry about shipping. Instead, you set up an online store, partner with suppliers, and only pay for a product after a customer orders it. Your job: find the right product, market it like a pro, and let your supplier do the heavy lifting. This is lean entrepreneurship at its finest. Step 2. Find a winning niche in 2025. Competition is fierce, but the opportunity is bigger than ever. You must niche down. Don't sell fitness products. Sell eco-friendly resistance bands for busy moms. Be specific. Be strategic. Use tools like Google Trends, TikTok Creative Center, and Dropshipping.io to spot hot trends and underserved markets. The riches are in the niches, so choose wisely. Step 3. Build your online store now. It's time to get digital. Use Shopify, WooCommerce, or Salvia to create your store. Choose a clean, mobile-optimized theme. Build trust with professional branding, a great About Us page, and real product photos or videos if possible. Your website is your storefront. Make it sharp, fast, and customer-focused. Step 4. Partner with reliable suppliers. A weak supplier can ruin your reputations. Choose carefully. Use platforms like Zendrop, CJ Dropshipping, or AliExpress with vetted suppliers. Check shipping times, refund policies, and responsiveness. Pro tip: order. Assemble for yourself. You're building a business, not a side hustle. Quality control matters. Step 5. Launch with smart marketing now for the rocket fuel. Marketing. In 2025, attention is currency, and you earn it with high content. Start with TikTok ads, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. These platforms are goldmines. Use influencer partnerships and UGC, user-generated content, to build instant trust. Combine with email marketing and retargeting ads to maximize profits. Remember, traffic means nothing if it doesn't convert, so test, optimize, repeat. Step 6. Track, scale, and systemize your first few sales. Just the beginning. Track key metrics: conversion rate, ad ROI, customer acquisition cost. Then scale what works. Automate fulfillment. Outsource customer service. Your goal: turn this into a repeatable, cash-generating machine. The faster you systemize, the faster you grow. Dropshipping isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a real business model for real entrepreneurs. So stop waiting for the perfect time. There is no perfect time. Start today. Learn as you go. Fail forward. Succeed faster. Drop a comment if you're ready to take action. Subscribe for more guides like this, and hit that like button if you're serious about building your online empire in 2025. This is your moment. Own it.